Hello guys, welcome to Planet Professor. Elon Musk has finally revealed some details regarding Giga Texas expansion project which has been shrouded in mystery. It's revealed that the rear portion of the factory extension will be a super dense water-cooled supercomputer cluster. Right now, Giga Texas is currently the largest production facility in the world. In fact, based on interior volume, Tesla's Texas factory is the largest production building on the planet. According to current news, all the major structural work for Giga Texas extension is complete and Tesla is currently installing the finishing touches. However, on 20 May 2024, Musk finally gave us an update on the Giga Texas expansion project.